up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everyone is doing okay. So today I realized that I have gotten up to 870 something subscribers on my YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for following me. Thank you to my old subscribers for always watching my video, for commenting. Thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome to my family. I hope you want to watch me grow. And if you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, please stop this video and subscribe down below. And I love you guys all for watching. Because I'm almost at 900 subscribers, I thought what would be a good way to thank you guys what would be a good way to thank you guys but to do a giveaway. So I will be doing a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So you guys keep an eye out for that. I will be collecting a few items and I will show you guys and I will let you guys know. I am really excited, you guys. So I hope you guys are excited and I hope you guys want to go along in this journey with me. It's really exciting. Yay, you guys, thank you. But anyway, we're gonna get into this video. So today I'm going to be telling you about the updates on this hair. This is the Janet Collection Faux Locks hair that I did. It's been about 2-3 weeks now that I've had the hair in. You guys, let me tell you, this is the most talked about hair. This hair, everywhere I've gone, people love it. Like, no lie, they loved the hair. I've gotten so many compliments on the hair from random people. Oh my God, I love your hair. How long did it take you to do it? Blah, blah, blah. But bottom line, they love the hair. And guess what, guys? I love the hair too. Like, I loved it so much that I wanted to do the hair all over again. But I thought, why do it all over again? Do something else, you know, do something different. But you guys, I love this hair oh, no words. No words can explain how I love this hair. But I really like it. I hope you guys like it too. Part about this hair is the fact that even though I've had it for 2-3 weeks, it still looks new. It's still shiny. It has that glow to it. The only bad part about the hair is that the hair tangles and it unravels on its own. I don't know if you can see in the video, once I pull it out, you see all the little tangle and all the knots that the hair already has on its own. And a few of them have been unraveling. Actually, I think I can pick one out right now. As you can see this, it's already started unraveling, and a few of them, once it starts to unravel, I just like clip this part out. So once this is gone, so it just looks like that. But for some reason, it's like knotting at the bottom together. And I don't usually do much to the hair. Look at this. It's like knotting. I don't really do much to the hair when I go to work. My hair is usually like this, or I just put a little bit more to the back. Only because of my job, I cannot have too much hair down. So it's usually like this every day. Sorry. It's usually like this every day when I go to work. So I don't know why it's tangling. The only thing that I can think about is when I do go to bed at night, I put it up in a ponytail. And then in the morning, I take it down. I don't know if that's why the hair is unraveling this much or knotting or tangling this much. I'm not sure. So the good part of the hair is that, yes, you can wash it. You can style it anyhow you like. I don't have a video on how to style it, but if you look on YouTube, there are so many videos on how to style faux locks. Mine is pretty simple. I wear it like this all the time because it's easier for me and I like it better on myself. But yes, you can wash it, but don't use hot water because it's not natural hair. You can style it anyhow you want. You can do whatever you like with the hair. Overall, it's a good hair. It's really nice. It's beautiful. It stays put. It doesn't come out. The only bad part of the hair is the fact that it starts to unravel on its own and it tangles at the bottom. Other than that, best hair ever. I highly recommend the hair if you would like to try it out. And if not, then But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy this review. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you always. Peace out. Bye.